Say what, Ma?
Every morning, the same mess going on in this house. Filming stuff. People, it's tired of people filming them.
Come here, Trey.
See what they're talking about now. Every morning.
Come back, Trey. Say what?
Takes me. Don't make no sense.
But you eating breakfast, though.
Honey, I don't care. It don't make no difference. These people's, but that's your permission too. And that's what's wrong today. People filming and going on. But it's a good thing they got all this. If you're doing something wrong, you will get caught on tape. And that'll be good. Thank God for filming.
Trey, what's wrong with you?
Trying to be quieter.
Huh?
She's too loud. People trying to sleep in here.
Keep trying to sleep with you every morning.
Yeah.
What time she come?
Like 5 o'clock in the morning, and she here yelling and screaming.
At 5 o'clock in the morning, yelling and screaming. What you got to say about that?
Well, early bird gets the worm. Them people are still sleeping now. I don't know. God help them. That's good for them. They're getting their work, their sleep done. But then they'll be up all day doing nothing.
I gotta go to school. Okay, all right.
It's time to go again. Busy all the time. Thank God for being alive, though. Could not be alive.
That's right.
And life, health, and strength.
Well, I say it's 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock when? This afternoon. You picking them up this afternoon?
I got to go.
He said he can't sleep because you come in loud every morning at 5 o'clock.
Only if I was getting paid. But I'm getting paid by Jesus. That's good. I want to fulfill my mission that I told him that I was going to do. I've been doing this ever since I was at least 12 years old.
Not driving people around.
Not driving them around, but I've been working and going on. My mission ain't just started.
All right. What's funny, Trey?